Hello guys, how are you all? I think so you're all fine. Now, welcome to Mr Educationalist. So, our today's topic is exponents and powers. Before starting the topic, first let us see some of the examples for better understanding. So, for example, we will take 3 square. 3 square. What is 3 to the power 2 or 3 square? 3 into 3 is 3 square. 3 into 3 is 3 square. So it is equal to 9. 2 to the power 3 I will take. So 3 times 2. 3 times 2 which is equal to 8. So in this 3 square I am taking 3 square. So this is square 2 is called as what, and 3 is called as what? Is called power, and 3 is called exponent. 3 is called exponent. Okay, now let us define a base, or this is exponent is also called as base or base. Okay, exponent is also called as base. Okay, yes. So now let me start with first let us define a base. What is the base? The factor which is the factor which is multiplied repeatedly. Okay, next power is the number of times the factor is multiplied. Okay, so I think so now we are clear with base and power. What is the base? Base is the factor which is multiplied repeatedly. Which factor is multiplied repeatedly? In our first example, 3 square. In 3 square we have 3 multiplied repeatedly, and it has repeated 2 times, and it is called as power, as we have explained it here. Okay, so according to this, now we have basic laws of indices. These basic laws of indices will help us in calculations. Basic laws of indices. So let us start basic laws of indices, and the first law of indices is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m plus n. So let us give one example for better understanding of this law. So the example can be 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 is equal to 3 to the power 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 to the power 4 we will get. Okay, 3 to the power 4. So for this law, the conditions applied is there. What are the conditions here? The conditions are, for this law, the base must be same. We have a same here. The base must be same, and the powers can be different here. If the base are different, we cannot apply this law. One more example I can take here is 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 5 I can take, which is 3 to the power 5 plus 4 is equal to 3 to the power 9 I can take. Okay, so this is the first law. So the base is the same and powers can be different, and if it is multiplication sign only, we can take addition here to the powers. Now let us start the second law. Okay, second law. What is second law here is a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Again be careful that the bases are same and powers are different, and they can be same but they are different here. So then only we can take a to the power m minus n, a to the power m minus n. So now for example, 4 to the power 2 by 4 to the power 4 is equal to 4 to the, I am taking here it as 4 and here it as 2, sorry. Okay, 4 to the power, so here I am taking 4 over 4 to the power 2, it will be 4 to the is 4 square. That is 4 square. One more example, I'll take it here only for better understanding. The example 5 to the power 2 by 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5 to the power 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, which is equal to 5 to the power 1. Okay. So for the second law, let's go for third law of indices. Third law of indices, that is a to the power n whole to the power n, means this n power applying for whole to the power m value, a to the power m value. Okay, let's take an example. 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2. 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2, it will be 2 to the power 3 into 2 for the third law of indices. That is the power 6. One more example, 3 to the power 25 whole to the power 2. In this case, our laws of indices are helpful. So here 25, we can't calculate it as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and so on. And again, that value which you are getting, we have to multiply by 2. To simplify, 2 to the 25 into 2, it should be 3 power 50. Power 50. Next, let us see the fourth law of indices. Fourth law of indices, E m. Here in this law, we can see that the bases are different. The power is the same power. Where a to the power m, which is equal to a to the power m, b to the power m. Take example for 2 to 4 whole to the power 3. That is equal to 2 to the power 3 to 4 to the power 3. Okay, one example. Next is our fifth law. So fifth law, a by b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. Here also the bases are different and the power is same, and the power is same. For example, 2 by 4 whole to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power 2 by 4 to the power 2. Okay, this was the fifth law of indices. Next is our sixth law of indices, and this will be the last law of indices. Last law of indices, a to the power 1 by 2. A to the power 1 by 2 will be equal to root a. To the power 1 by 2 will be equal to root a. So for example, if we are taking 121 into 144 whole to the power 1 by 2, we will be getting under root 121 into 144. And simplify with using the second, third, fourth law and any laws also. For example, this we can use it by simplifying our fourth law. What was the fourth law? A b to the power m, 121 power 1 by 2 to 144 to the power 1 by 2. Now by using the sixth law, I can say root 121 into root of 144. So these were the laws of indices which will be helpful for us in calculation. Okay, so we will see some of the examples now, which are some difficult, which we can solve in very simple, manner. The first example is 20 by 5 whole to the power 2, which can also be nice 20 to the power 2 by 5 to the power 2, which is 100 by 25, which is equal to 16. The simple manner of this part. Okay, so one more second example we will take. We will take 36 by 9 whole to the power 1 by 2, whole to the power 1 by 2. So according to this, how we did this problem, like that only, 36 by root 9. We applied fifth law as well as sixth law. So which is equal to 6 by 3, which is equal to